Welcome to the portfolio.
Morning, people. Hope you're having a wonderful Ramadan.
Oh, hey. Alright, guys, we found the chair that we want. ولكن معلم مسيح.
28.5 degrees.
I do not recommend.
Morning, people. Hope you're having a wonderful Ramadan. Hope it's going well. Hoping that you're actually putting a lot of effort into it this year. Reading your Quran, you're making your prayer, making du'as. Anyways, may Allah accept all your du'as and your fast. Just a quick video. It's not going to be a long one. So today we're going to pick up the keys for one of our properties that we added. So today's key collection. So I've called the owner today. Told them, listen, I'm going to come grab the keys off you today. So I'm going to meet him probably there. And then just going to make a list of things that are going to be needed. So I'm going to do a little episode of furnishing it ourselves. Because it's what we call a dinger yard. It's not one of our nicer, more premium locations. It's still a nice apartment. It's brand new, good finishing, high standing, but the area wise it's nothing to shout about, but it's like something we call dinger yards. Jamal knows. Anyways, so we'll make a list of it and then we'll show you how we're going to furnish it ourselves within like a decent small budget, not too crazy, not too small. And yeah, we'll show you the finishing product. But for now I need to go wash the car because the car is a mess. I'm not even going to show you. Shuma. I'm going to wash the car, I'm going to go pick up some stuff. I need to buy some stuff for Oliver Palm. I need to do some admin stuff, go to the office. So I've got a busy day and I've got to do all of this before Maghrib. And now it's what? 12. Let's see if we'll do it, guys. Oh yeah, and I need to buy some furniture. Anyways, let's get moving. Love this drive out. I don't know if you guys can see, but the mountain just looks absolutely splendid. Guys, it's getting hot in Marrakech, man. 28.5 degrees. Just stopped at the shop. Had to get a air fryer, a kettle as well, and we just popped into the masjid as well. Pray Dhuhr, and we're gonna carry on grabbing the rest of the stuff. I haven't managed to wash the car. I don't think I'm going to. Every time I'm trying to get a car wash in this country, there's like 5 cars waiting. I don't understand why it's never not busy. You can go in the morning, afternoon, or at night. That's a business idea for you guys. Car wash. Just the demand is there. I'll be honest, the demand is there. In Ru'urika, we're looking at some artisans for some coffee tables, chairs, and outdoor chairs. See the artisans they make the stuff here, so it's locally made, much better pricing than, the industrial zone. So let's have a look. Let's go some bargaining. Guys, some furniture here. We're just looking at some tables, some chairs. So basically they got more options, so the guy is just gonna take me on the motorbike, and so we're gonna go see the factory. When you're in Morocco, you gotta do things properly, man. There's no rules. Bismillah. Bro, I nearly dropped getting on, guys. Wow. I do not recommend. Oh my god. Guys, that was a near life death experience. Oh my goodness. I'm just glad to be back. We're gonna check out some chairs. He's got some chairs. This is the style we want. ولكن مع الماء مثلا إلى كان برا. كان في الشتاء برا لا عيل دخل.
إلا قلت لي أنا بنشريها بنجيها برا ما نبيعهاش لك بتخسر.
لا أصلا غادي يكون عيل في الدار داخل. ولكن مع المسيح.
لا ما ينفع عليه والو. يفيرني لك أنا.
Yeah. Alright guys, we found the chair that we want. Another store, drove down. What do you guys think? Obviously it needs to clean. But it'll have this kind of fabric on it. This kind of creamy fabric. Yeah, بحال هكا. بحال هكا زوينين. نقدر نختار شي لون آخر. اللي بغيتو تكتب لا كاليتي ديال الثوب اللي بغيتي. صراحة ما بغيتش هذا الثوب. يكون بحال هكا. هذا. حيت هذا مع الوقت حيت غادي نكريو البلاصة. Now the reason guys we wouldn't go for this color and this fabric, it looks amazing. I would have it in my own house, but if you're renting out something, people are just going to take no care. They're going to spill things, it's going to show, it's going to be difficult to clean. But you can even see there that it's brand new and it's got like some faults and it hasn't even been sold yet. So yeah, just something to consider guys. Make sure you select something that's going to stay with time and is durable. So guys, I'm just choosing the color, put it next to the wood. Probably going to go for something like this beige. This is a bit too dark, either between these two. Okay, so basically I can't decide between these two fabrics. So I'm just going to go out in the sun and see. ما عندك شي كرسي باش نشوفها بهذا الثوب. Alright guys, so this is an up and coming area. We've arrived. So this is the entrance. First thing, the curb appeal, looking nice. Compared to everyone else's front door, the entrance was just terrible. This one caught my eye straight away. Go upstairs. The lift works, but let's get some exercise in. Show you guys the apartment. The finish is quite decent, not bad at all. I mean, compared to the new builds that you see now, this is definitely a higher standard. Voila, we are here. Let's get the keys out. We're number 8. Bismillah. Oi. Welcome to the portfolio. Pleasure doing business. Glad to have you on board. Okay, so let me tell you how the story of how we actually bought this one. This was so unplanned. I was walking downstairs where you saw the entrance to. I was walking down and I wanted one apartment in this area because it's good location. It's like 5 minutes from the airport. It's definitely developing. It's like nice developing. So it caught my eye. Obviously the back hasn't been developed yet. So at the moment we've got nice, lack of obstruction, or no obstruction with other buildings. So that's good. So this is a 2-bed apartment. We've got first bedroom. About 10 meters, I'd say, 10 square meters. I'd take a guess. Got the wardrobe, even got a little balcony area as well. You wake up in the morning, get some sun, and get your day started. So this is gonna be an apartment for, probably use it for recording. We'll have it as a studio room or don't know yet. Don't know what we're gonna do with it. I feel like we'll just keep these ones, retain this one, just use it for personal use or family, if it ever have family come down and wanna use it. And potentially rent it out as well, if no one's using it. So the living room, not the biggest living room, but it will do. It will do the job. It will do the job. Just thinking of the design layout now off the top of my head. So we'll probably have the TV here, definitely there. Have an L-shaped sofa. Boom. Maybe a stop till here. Dining table here. We could even put the dining table here actually. Not too big, it's a small one. So yeah guys, give me some ideas. What do you guys think in terms of a new purchase, new addition? Kitchen is not bad as well. Nothing crazy, but at least it's got comes with the appliances, comes with an oven, comes with a gas stove. I actually prefer gas. Now it doesn't look as nice as electric, but gas is just so much better, so much easier to use, less headache. Actually tastes better as well when you're cooking. And you've got the extractor fan. These are needed. And then here, we don't have a washing machine, so we're gonna have to purchase a washing machine. Either put it here or put it there, we'll see. We have the connections to put it at both places, so just depends on where I want to put it. Fridge would have to go here, obviously. Fridge would go here. I mean, it's quite a decent sized kitchen for a 2-bedroom. I mean, that's what that will do the job. That's more than enough. And then you've got the bathroom. Actually, let me turn on the electrics. When you have a new build or a new property, the developer usually gives you this slip, usually then give to the electricity company. Then they will be able to put the utilities in your name. So we've got spotlights across all of the property. I might change them actually. I like black spotlights. I prefer black, but that's just because I'm picky. No need to do them now, but in the future I'll probably change them. AC, of course we're gonna have to get AC. Every single room, have one here. We'll put one in this room and one in this room. Oh yeah, this is the 2nd bedroom. So this is a little bit smaller, doesn't have a balcony, but you can put a double bed in here. And plus I don't like to over furnish places anyways, so for me it's fine. What do you guys think of the wood color? I quite like it. I prefer this type of brown, but it's nice. Just need to get some door stops so the handles don't keep hitting into the wall. And oh yeah, the bathroom. Let's see what the bathroom's saying. Oh hey, it's a nice little touch. Thank you very much. Bathroom. Yeah, I like the blue effect. It's nice. It's nice. At least you've got a little panel here to put your toiletries and whatnot, so it's nice. Floating toilet. Yeah, man, I'm happy with this. I mean, guess how much we bought this for, guys? If you had to take a guess, it's a new build. It's a 2-bedroom. It's about 74, 75 square meters. We actually bought this for, drum roll, in dirhams, 740,000 dirhams, which is probably about 58,000 pounds. So alhamdulillah, it was a good price, very good price. I know this will appreciate in the next 5-10 years. So these ones, you just sleep on it and just sit on it and just, add it onto the portfolio and just wait 10, 15, 20 years even. This will probably minimum double. Definitely minimum double, especially the way we're gonna maintain it and the way we're gonna and we're gonna make money from it as well. So overall, this will generate a good return. But yeah, alhamdulillah, just to show you guys the next edition, we're gonna be showing you more properties, more deals, more projects. Content is gonna be at 100x this year. We've just been very busy with certain other projects in the backline. But you guys have been asking for more insights, more behind the scenes. So we're gonna give you that. We're gonna give you that. You nosy people, since you wanna know so much, we'll do that. Anyways, got the keys doubled, we got the copies. We got an hour till Maghrib, so we need to make moves, go home and prepare. I mean, we ain't got no one to make us our dinner. We ain't got a wife waiting at home for us, so we gotta make our own dinners. So we're gonna go make a few calls on the way back, drive back, hopefully make it in time, start prepping some food, and peace. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a bit of a chaotic one, but we finally made it at the end. We finally picked up the keys. So yeah guys, we'll see you in the next one. We're gonna have a lot more projects coming up for you guys, a lot more things, so real exciting times. Anyways, peace.